أهلا بيكم طالبات وطلاب جريد 1 بريب. برحب بيكم وهنبدأ درس جديد وحلقة جديدة في الماث تحت رعاية وإشراف وزارة التربية والتعليم. النهاردة إن شاء الله هنتكلم عن statistics وهنتكلم عن mean, median and mode. So let's get started. Mean, median and mode. First, we are going to talk about mean, the arithmetic mean. The definition of it is the arithmetic mean of a set of values is equal to the sum of these values divided by the number of these values. We are going to write it, sum of these values over number of these values. Example. Find the arithmetic mean of the values 3, 8, 11, 4, and 9. So we are going to add the 3, 8, 11, 4, and 9, then divide by what? How many values are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to divide by 5. Here, 3 plus 8 plus 11 plus 4 plus 9, divide by 5. When we add them, we will get 35 over 5, which is 7. So the mean is 7. Practice. If the arithmetic mean of this value is 6, for how many values? 5, 7, x, and 9. Find the value of x. So here we have a tricky question. We are going to add the 4 values, which are 5 plus 7 plus x plus 9 over 4, because there are 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will write them equals 6. Why 6? Instead of the mean, I will write 6. And when we add 7 plus 5 plus 9, we will get 21 plus x over 4 equals 6. How can we solve that? We are going to multiply or make cross multiplication here. Let me change the color. Yes, here. So 4 times 6 equals 24 equals 21 plus x. How can we find this x? By solving equation. This 21, I'm going to do the opposite for both sides, minus 21. So x equals 3. 24 minus 21 equals 3. That's all about mean. Okay, now we are going to talk about median. In median, we have here the definition. Let me read it. The median of a set of values is the value which lies exactly in the middle of the set of if it is arranged ascendingly or descendingly. So it's up to you to write it by any order. And then we will do it like this way. First, find the median if the number of values is odd. So I have odd numbers. Arrange them, then order, or the order of the mean is n plus 1 over 2. Here it is. An example. Find the median of 4, 9, 2, 7, and 6. Let's arrange them, and as I said, it's up to you to arrange them from any order. 2, 4, 6, 7, and 9. And here we have 2 ways. If we have small number of numbers of the set, so we are going to cancel left and right. 9 with 2, 7 with 4, and the middle value is 6. Or here we see it right now, the order of the median, it was n plus 1 over 2. So we are going to add these numbers. We have how many values? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 plus 1 over 2, which is 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So I need the third number, which is 6. 2, 4, and 6. 6 is in the middle. Second, finding the median if the number of the values is even. I have even numbers, okay? So for example, 6, 8, 10. It ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. The order of the median in this case will be n over 2 and n over 2 plus 1. Oh, I have two numbers. Okay. Let's order them. Find the median of 2, 3, 7, 9, 5, and 1. I'm going to order them, arrange them. 1, then 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay? Then we have two ways. I'm going to cancel left and right. We got two values in the middle. So we are going to add 3 and 5, divide by 2. Always divide by 2 because we have two values in the middle. So 3 plus 5 is 8, over 2 is 4. Or the order is n over 2 and n over 2 plus 1. Here, how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 over 2, which is 3, and after 3 is 4. So I need the third and the fourth number. Number 3 is, or the third number is 3, and the fourth number is 5. So add them and divide by 2. That when we have even number. Okay? So we have two cases in the median. The first one for odd numbers, the second for even numbers. The odd, we will get one value in the middle. For even numbers, we will get two values in the middle. So add them and divide by 2. Let's watch the video to be clear for everyone.
You have two different sets of values. Think and find the median of each set according to the rules you've learned. To find the median for the set of values, we first put the values in ascending order as shown. We can see that the number of the values is odd, so the median is the middle value, which is 5. To find the median for the set of values, we first put the values in ascending order as shown. We can see that the number of the values is even. So to find the median, we get the sum of the two middle values, 5 and 9, and divide them by 2. Therefore, the median is 7.
Yes, so there are two cases for the median. Odd numbers, it will be only one value in the middle, or even number, it will be two values, then add them and divide by 2. Here we have practice. If the median of the values a plus 3, a plus 2, and a plus 4 is 8, find a. How can we find it? We talked about the median. So I need to arrange them before anything. When you see word median, so we have to arrange them. Okay, let's arrange them. Of course, a plus 2 is the least number. Here we are going to add 2, then add 3. It will be more than adding 2, and then a plus, here a comma, a plus 4. Okay. I'm going to cancel left and right. So we have one value in the middle, which is a plus 3. I'm going to write a plus 3 equals 8. Why 8? Because the median is given. And how can we solve this equation? By subtracting 3 from both sides, or by moving to the other side. Okay? So a is 5. We are going to cancel the 3, and the 8 minus 3 is 5. So a is 5. Now we are going to talk about mode. The definition. The mode of a set of data is the most common data, the most repeated number. Just by looking, you can decide which one is repeated more and pick it as mode. For example, find the mode of 5, 3, 5, 7. The most repeated number is 5. 5 is repeated 2 times, and nothing else repeated. Okay, so 5 is the mode. Number 2. 3950939. Have a look at 9. 9 is repeated for 3 times. And what else? 3 is repeated for 2 times. Which one is repeated more? 9 is repeated more. So the mode is 9. Number 3. I have 6 repeated for 2 times and 7 also repeated for 2 times. So I have 2 modes in this case. So the 6 and 7. Okay. And number 4, 3, 4, 9. There is no mode because there is no repeated number. No repeated number. 3 is 1 time, 4 is 1 time, 9 is repeated for 1 time only. So the mode, it can be 1 number, 2 or more, or no mode because no repeated number. Okay. Practice. The following table shows the marks of 30 students or pupils in an examination. Here the mark and the frequency. 5, 3, 6 is 5, 7 is 7, 8 is repeated for 9, 9 is repeated for 4 times, 10 is repeated for 2 times. The question? Find the mode mark. So focus on the frequency. Frequency means repeated for how many times. Okay, which number is repeated for? Here, repeated more, sorry. 5 is repeated for 3 times. 6 is repeated for 5 times. 7 is 7 times. 8 is 9 times. And 9 is for 4 times. 10 is for 2 times. So the most repeated number is 8. 8 is repeated for 9 times. Okay, here the question asked us about mode mark. So you have to pick the mark, not 9. Look at the first row in the table, which is 8. 8 is repeated for 9 times. So the mode is 8. Now find the mean, median, and mode for these values. Let's do it on the whiteboard. Find the mean, median, and mode for 2, 5, 8, 12, 13, 5, and 4. So first, we are going to find the mean. How can we find the mean? Add all of them, divide by the number of values. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4 over, how many values are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to divide by 7. 2 plus 5, 7, plus 8, 15, plus 12 is 27, plus 13 is 40, plus 5, 45, plus 4 is 49. Divide by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. So that is the mean. Now find the mode or the median first. Median. To find the median, we have to arrange them. So here we have 2, 4, 5, repeated for 2 times, write it. And then 8, 12, 13. Check, are they 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then cancel from left and right. We got one value on the middle. So here the median equals is 5. How can we find the mode? The most repeated value. Here 5 is repeated for 2 times and nothing more. So the mode is 5. mean 7, median is 5, and the mode is 5. Another one. Find the arithmetic mean of the values 2, minus a, 4, 1, 5, 3, plus a is. How can we find it? To find the mean, we have to add all of them. So 2 minus a plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus a over how many values are there? This is the mean. Let's count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values over 5. Let's add them. We are going to work on the numbers first. 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 5, 15. And what about a? Let me write it with white. $15. What about a? Here we have negative a and positive a. They will cancel each other. We got 15 over 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the mean is 3. Okay. Find the arithmetic mean of the values x plus y, 9 minus y, and negative x. Let's order them. No need. Let's add them immediately. X plus y plus 9 minus y plus negative x. No need to write plus negative. It's immediately negative. And how many values are there? 1, 2, 3. So divide by 3. And we will add the x first. Here we have x minus x. They will cancel each other, 0. Then the same for y. Positive y and negative y. They will cancel each other. We have only 9 over 3, which is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So here, let me write it. The mean is 3. Another one. If the median of the values a plus 3, a plus 2, a plus 4 is 8, then a equals, and I have choices. Let's do it. When you see word median, so immediately we have to order them. We have to arrange them. So let's arrange them. The least is a plus 2, and then a plus 3, and a plus 4 is number 3. So a plus 2, then a plus 3, it comes after plus 2 of course, then a plus 4. And we will cancel left and right, left and right. Okay, so the median is 8, so I'm going to write an equation. A plus 3 so a plus 3 equals 8. How can we solve this equation? By subtracting 3 from both sides, or move this positive 3 to the second side. So a is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the correct answer is letter D. Okay, the second one. If the median of the values a minus 1, a plus 1, a minus 2, a plus 2, a plus 4 is 6. We are going to do the same exactly. Let's order them. What comes first, a minus 1 or a minus 2? The least one is a minus 2. When I subtract 2, we'll get smaller number than when I get a minus 1. Then a minus 1, we finished from minus 2 and minus 1, and then a plus 1, then a plus 2, and a plus 4. Then cancel left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you expect? We will get, here we have how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd number. We will get one value in the middle. Write it equals 6. So left and right, cancel them. And a plus 1 equals, the given is 6, and subtract 1 from both, so a is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5, so the second one is 5. Then the mode of the colors red, yellow, red, white, black, red, white is the la color. Which color is repeated? Red is repeated for 3 times. White is repeated for 2 times. Which one is more? Red, of course. So the answer will be red. The mode of values a plus 2, a plus 1, a plus 3, a plus 2 equals 12. Then a equals what? The most repeated value is a plus 2. It's repeated for 2 times and nothing more. So I'm going to write a plus 2. It's repeated for 2 times, so that is the mode. And which is 12 is given in the question. And then solve this equation. We are going to subtract 12 from both sides and cancel them. A is 10. So the answer is 10. That's all about today's lesson. We studied the mean, add all of them and divide by the number of values. Median, arrange them. And if you have odd number, we will get one value on the middle. It will be the median. If we get 2 values for even number, we will add them and divide by 2. Then the mode is the most repeated number. It can be a number, 2 numbers or more, or there is no mode. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.